Hello, dear viewers. Today we are going to get acquainted with a powerful online image editor, Picsart website. This service offers a wide range of tools for editing photos, creating collages, and applying a variety of effects. Picsart provides standard photo and video editing tools, including cropping, resizing, applying filters, and adding text. In addition, advanced AI-based features such as automatic background removal, image enhancement, and AI art generation are available. The service also offers millions of stock images and video clips, as well as premium templates, fonts, stickers, and shapes. Picsart offers 3 basic tariffs. 1. Free access to standard editing tools and 100 megabytes of cloud storage. 2. Plus for $13 per month, users get 200 credits for generative AI tools, full access to premium content, and 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. 3. Pro for $15 per month provides 500 credits for AI tools, advanced branding features, batch editing of up to 50 images at a time, and 20 gigabytes of cloud storage editing tools. Integration of AI technologies to simplify the content creation process. Access to an extensive library of stock images and video clips. Cons. The free version includes ads. Some features are only available in paid plans. Overall, Picsart is a versatile tool for creative people who want to process images quickly and efficiently. If you like the review, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and put a like. See you soon!